Math Olympiad question, a very nice one. Here it says 2 to the power of 20 minus 4 equals what? So first what we're going to do is, let's write down 2 to the power of 20 as 10 times 2 minus that's 4. Now this 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024, and we have a square and then minus 4. Now as you can see, this 1024 can be written as 1000 plus 24 the whole squared minus 4. Now this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. I'll write it here, a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b squared. So we're going to apply this here. That's equal to the a square. A is 1000. So we have 1000 squared plus 2 into 1000 times b is 24 plus b square is 24 square. Then we have minus 4. Now we're going to solve for this one. So 1000 square is 1 million plus 2 times 24 is 48. 48 times 1000 is 48,000 plus 24 squared. Now I'm going to show you an easiest trick to find the square of a number. So just follow this. Whenever you have a squaring number like this, 24 squared, just take the square of the first digit 4. That will give us 4 times 4 is 16. Then take the square of 2, that is 4, but write it as a double digit, that is 04. Now just multiply all these numbers. 2 times 4 times 2, the exponent as well. So 2 times 4 is 8 times 2 is 16, and write it under this number, leaving one digit from the right. And now just add them up. 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 1 5, and that's your answer. 576 is the square of 24. So we are going to write that plus 576 minus 4. Now let's just add them up all together. So we have 1 million plus 48,000 plus 576. That adds up and gives 1,048,576. But you have to subtract 4. So the final answer is 1,048,572. That's your answer.